Alright, so Crypto.com has launched Crypto.com Tax to help you prepare for filing your taxes. This platform is currently available in UK, Australia, Canada, Germany, and US. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial explaining you how to use Crypto.com Tax to file your taxes. The best part is that Crypto.com Tax is absolutely free to use for anybody out there. So even if you are not the user of Crypto.com, you can still use this tax platform to prepare for taxes. So first thing you would need to do is to sign up for an account. So you're going to click sign up over here and then enter your name, your email address, your password, your nationality, and accept the terms of service over here by checking both of these boxes, and then click over here to verify your identity and click register. So then you will come to this page where it's going to ask you to confirm your email ID. So log into your account and you're going to receive an email similar to something like this, and then just click verify email, and next you would receive a pop-up message saying that your email has been verified. So I'm just going to click sign in and then enter your email ID and your password, and then click sign in. Next, enter the verification code. So you will receive this on your email address. Then I would go back and paste it, and then I would click submit. Alright, that's it. So your account is open, and now we're just gonna set up our time zone and tax jurisdiction. So for the time zone, select the location. So I'm just gonna put that as Canada for me. Next, you have to select your tax jurisdiction. So that's basically the country for which you're filing the taxes. So you can choose any of the options over here. So currently we have Australia, Canada, Germany, UK, USA. I'm gonna do Canada in my case, and then select the tax year. So 2021 is perfect. Select your base currency. So I'm gonna put that as Canadian dollars, and then select your cost basis method. So this would actually depend on the country from where you're filing your taxes, and it's gonna show some options. So since I am from Canada and I'm filing taxes in Canada, for me it says adjusted cost base. So I would just click that, and then I'm gonna click the checkbox over here to accept the Canada tax disclaimer. If you want to read through it, just click over here, go through it, make sure it's okay, and click save. And that's it. So this is what your interface would look like. The interface is actually really neat and easy to navigate. So that is one thing I like, because I don't like it when certain platforms are like so overwhelming that you kind of get confused. I just like it when it's nice, simple, clean, easy to like go from one page to the other. So that's good. And to get started, first thing we're gonna do is add our wallets and exchanges. So I would click add over here. All right, so next thing you would do is select your wallet and exchange from which you are transferring your reports. So I'm gonna do Crypto.com app in my case. When you scroll through it, you'll see that there are a lot of other options as well. So we have Binance, BitPay, Coinbase, Coinbase Pro. So go through it, whichever platform is what you want to get a report for, just click on it and follow the same process basically. So I'm gonna do Crypto.com app over here and give the wallet or an exchange a name. So I would just put that as report 1 for now, and then I'm gonna click upload CSV. You can also create an empty wallet and exchange and import your data later, but we're gonna upload the document right now. So we're gonna click over here, and then there are two ways of doing it. So you can upload the CSV from Crypto.com app, or you can upload the generic CSV template. To see how to get your transactions and like reformat it in the generic CSV template, you can click over here and watch the entire tutorial, which shows you how to arrange certain transactions in a way that it is compatible with the platform. So let's say we would click over here, and there are little instructions where it's gonna tell you how to navigate through it and get your reports. So I'm gonna move into my phone, and you will see what the transaction would look like. So this is my app over here, and I would go to the account tabs on the bottom. And on the top right, you're gonna see a tab that says transaction history. So I'm gonna click over here, and then I would click export tab on the top right corner. And then you're going to choose the crypto wallet over here. So either you can get transactions for the fiat wallet or a crypto wallet or anything like that. I am going to do crypto wallet in my case, and then specify the start date and the end date to make sure the entire account history is covered. So I'm going to put my start date as the January. So that looks good, and click export to CSV on the bottom. And as you can see, my report has been generated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the download tab over here. So once it is downloaded, I will export it to my desktop and will continue it over there. So once I do have my file over here, I would drop it right there, and then I would click upload. So as you can see, I received a prompt saying that successfully we have imported 295 transactions, and over here you're going to see there have been 14 skipped transactions, meaning these transactions were usually the rewards that I earned from their staking program. So go through it and click OK over here. Alright, so then you would come to this page where you're going to have a more detailed history of each transaction. So for instance, I have my AVAX token over here, and I had 4 transactions in a year. And if I click view transaction, I would see the entire history of what I actually did with the token throughout the year. So for instance, on December 21st, 2021, I sold my 15.382 AVAX token, and I received 2,293.64 CAD. So that gives me a gain of $494.37. So that's just a simple overview of different transactions, and just a nice way to see the profit and the losses as well. Now let's say I feel that there is a little bit of an error in this transaction for some reason. So if I click the 3 dots over here, and if I click edit, I can make a change to this transaction over here. So it's important that you kind of go over all the transactions, make sure they are okay, and if there is any error, just update it from your end. So when you come to the issues tab, you're going to see that there are different transactions that have been not reported because of various issues in them. So you're going to see a little explanation that says what the issue is and how you can fix them. You can also check out their FAQ page over here and go through it in detail just to understand why that certain transaction was not reported, and manually edit it to make sure it's fixed. So when you scroll through it, you're going to see all the information, how to fix it. You can also chat with the support to get more context on it. So when you come to the home page and you scroll to the bottom, you will also see your net capital gains. So you would see proceeds over here in one section, the cost, the transaction fee, and the capital gains and loss. When you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see a more detailed overview of what exactly happened with your income. So you can see the airdrops you received, the gifts you received, mining, rebate, reward, uncategorized, and all of that stuff. So just go through each transaction, make sure it is tagged correctly, fix that, and you would just have a nice overview of what happened in your account, which is the information that you can use to file for taxes. So once you have all your transactions sorted, you're going to come to the tax report section over here, and then you can generate tax reports. So whether you need a CA tax summary, a transaction history, capital gain and losses report, income report, gift donations, payment report, expenses report, you can click any of the aspects over here, and then you can click download CSV file, and then you can use this document and help yourself to file for the taxes. So that's how you can use the Crypto.com tax platform to prepare yourself to file taxes for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found this helpful. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.